Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change uppercase text to lowercase in Google Sheets, a super useful trick whether you're tidying up a messy spreadsheet from a colleague or making your own data look a bit more polished. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transform any text from all caps to nice, clean lowercase in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in and save you some time and frustration. So let's imagine you have a column full of names, email addresses, or any bits of information that are all stuck in uppercase letters. Maybe it looks a bit like someone left the caps lock on. Don't worry, this is an easy fix. What we want to do is create a new column right next to it, which will instantly convert all of those shouty uppercase words into calm, easy-to-read lowercase. Here, how you do it: first, click into the cell in the new column where you want the lowercase version to show up. For example, if your uppercase data is in cell A2, then click into cell B2 to get started. This sets us up to put in a special function, kind of like telling Google Sheets, hey, I want you to automatically change this for me. Now in that cell, type out this formula, equals the word lower, then an open parenthesis, and then pick the cell that has your uppercase text. So it should look like this, equals lower A2. Take a moment to double check, make sure you use the equals sign at the start so Google Sheets knows it's a formula, and double check that you've typed the word lower all in lowercase. Now hit enter. You'll see right away that the text in your new cell is now in lowercase. Google Sheets has instantly converted, say, John Doe to John Doe. Think of this like a translator that changes shouting into a friendly whisper. It's that simple. If you have a whole column of names or information to change, here's a neat shortcut. You don't need to type the formula in every row. Instead, after you've got your formula in the first cell, just hover over the little blue square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it down as far as you need, and Google Sheets will automatically apply that same lowercase transformation to all the cells below. Boom, your whole column is fixed in seconds. If you have hundreds or even thousands of entries, this saves so much time. One thing to remember, the formula creates a live link to your original data. If the uppercase text changes, your lowercase version updates automatically. Pretty handy if your spreadsheet is still a work in progress. And if you ever want to just have the lowercase values, you can select your new column, copy it, and then use paste special paste values only to turn them from formulas into regular text. And that's all there is to it. With just a simple formula, you've completely cleaned up your data and made it way more readable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you run into any issues or have more questions about Google Sheets, drop a comment below. I love helping out and seeing your questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.